Hello viewers, my name is Young Akoleche Barnabas and I'm an English teacher based in Japan. So today I would like to share my experience on pronunciation as an English teacher. So first, I'm going to take you through the sound of A. So we are going to look at how we can pronounce the letter A in reading, in spelling, how we can pronounce in a word, because the letter A does not stay the same. The letter A is a variant alphabet or letter. It changes sound. So let's look at this table and make things brief for our understanding. And this is going to be our first lesson on the English alphabet sound. The English alphabet sound. So first we have a word mat. So let me write a pronunciation that we can talk about it. We have the word mat, mat. So here you see that the letter A is pronounced as A. That's our first sound. The second word, we can see the letter A in another word, but this time it's not going to sound as A. Let's see. So here we pronounce this word as mate. So here the letter A sounds A. So mate. Let's look at the second one. So the second one is the word car. So we have this sound car. This is for the British. With the Americans, we are going to give the alternative. Okay, car. So if you like car, you realize that here our A sounds the A control R control A. That's R. As an example, words like bar. So we have here the A sounds as R. And then the next word that we have is want. Let's see the pronunciation. Want. So here our A sounds as in off, on, octopus, October, orange. So that is the sound of A. So here we see that the A can make these four sounds. A, R, O. Then the last word we're going to look is talk. So if I write a transcription, or if I write the pronunciation or the sound spelling, the spelling of the sound, you realize that we are going to have T and O. This is a long sound, and K, T, O, K, talk. So here our A makes the sound O. We'll end the lesson here. I will continue our lesson 2. This is officially our lesson 1. See you next time. Bye.